Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack, and today I'm gonna show you how to see video in your messenger who sent more than a year. So guys, I'm gonna show you some practical ways in order for you to do this process. So of course, first one is you could just simply open up the messenger application into your device. Now over here, you could just simply go ahead and go to one of your friend. Now, here on your friend, you could just simply go ahead and select their name at the top of the screen. And now, from here, as you can see, you will have multiple options and you will have here more actions category. So you could just simply go ahead and select view media, files, and links. Now, from here, as you can see, you will have multiple photos and videos. Now, if you want to categorize it to find the video that is more than a year, you just simply select videos at the top over here so you can filter out all of the videos that you and your friend have been sending to each other, and you could just simply scroll down, and that way you could just simply find a video. Now, another option that you could try, if it's really, really old and you have sent a lot of videos and you cannot scroll down, you could also try going for a specific keyword. So here you will have an option search in conversation. So from here, you would just simply search for a specific keyword that you and your friend have talked about. And if there are any chances that you have a guys talk to that keyword, as you can see, it's 2024. And when I tap on it, it will redirect me over there. And you should be able to just simply scroll down and try to find the video on that specific date. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.